Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is a lovely parfait which I'm going to be making with my homemade yogurt and some fresh fruit as well as some dry fruit and some granola bar which I've just crumbled up. So I've recently posted my granola bar recipe. I'll leave a link to it below. Please go and check it out. It's super simple and really nice. So this parfait is a dessert which you can have instead of having something which has got a lot of like instead of having ice cream which is loaded with cream, you can have this light dessert whenever you feel like having something sweet or something chilled. So this is the ideal dessert and really healthy, and it gets ready also very quickly. So let's jump straight ahead into today's lovely recipe.
So friends, let's start with today's lovely parfait recipe. It's super simple and really easy. So here I've taken 2 wide glasses. To that I'm going to add some yogurt. Now you can use store-bought yogurt, but I'm using the homemade yogurt. So we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can add as much or as little as you like. So see that your yogurt is nice and fresh and it's nice and it's chilled from the refrigerator. Now this is my homemade granola bar. I'll leave a link to the recipe of how I make my homemade granola bar. I've just crushed up the bar a bit, made it into a kind of a crumble, and I'm going to add that too. So again, you can add as much or as little as you like, so there's no particular quantity. Next, I'm going to add some sliced up bananas. Now you can add whatever fresh fruit you have at home. You can go with apples, pears, raspberries, strawberries. I happen to have bananas at home, so I'm using bananas. Now I'm going to add some cranberries. Again, you can add whatever dry fruits you have. You can add some fresh berries. And now I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to again add some yogurt. Now I've just beaten the yogurt very lightly, not too much. You can use your favorite yogurt. You can use flavored yogurt. And now again, I'm going to add some banana, again some crushed up granola, and some cranberry. So you can be really creative with this parfait. Again, I'm adding some cranberries, and again top it up with some yogurt. And the same process, we're going to repeat it again. And I like to keep this in my refrigerator, not in the freezer, but in the refrigerator. And whenever I feel like having some dessert, instead of going for ice cream or something which is rich in sugar, I like to have this. It's really refreshing and it really feels good. So you can make a big glass, you can make a small glass, you can go with whatever you like. So this is a super recipe and it is so very healthy too. And don't forget to check out my granola bar recipe. It is really easy to make. I will leave a link below of how I make my granola bar. So I hope you do try out this recipe. Do leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you give it a try. Do try out the granola bar because it's really healthy and super simple to make. And if you have oats at home and you're really tired of eating the same, oats porridge, then you can try out this recipe with the granola bar and then make a parfait as a dessert whenever you feel like having something light and something chill, like an ice, instead of having an ice cream. So if you like today's video, please do give this video a big like by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Hit the subscribe button and also click the bell, click all. That way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. So thank you so much for being a part of my channel and watching my videos, supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.